Rich, buddigoliaeth gyffyrddus, ond doedd hi ddim yn hawdd?
Na, oedden ni gorau gweithio'n galad am y gols. Chwarae teg I pawb, ond dod yma o game plan swn I ddweud I drio ffrustreitio ni ac ista fewn a hynny o'n anodd I ni. So ia, hanner amser, oedden ni jyst y negas oedd I neu siŵr bod ni yn bod yn patient lle, ac disgwyl i'r amser iawn a wedyn, ia, mae'n neis gallu dod o pobl fatha Sean Bradley on I gallu gwneud pethau ddigwydd a wedyn, ia, chwarae teg Phil Mooney, disgwyl ar y gol fanna fyd. A wedyn, na, hapus iawn.
First defeat of the season, your reaction?
You know, you're going to be disappointed with the defeat. You know, I think the boys were doing ever so well. I think the sending-offs changed the game. You know, I'm not saying if we would have kept them on the pitch, we would have won the game, but we certainly would have had a better chance of taking something from the game. But yeah, disappointed, because I honestly thought we could come here today and get something, but it wasn't to be.
Da ni triffwynt, ond ymhell o fod yn waith hawdd.
Ie, dim ond ni dominato'r bel heddiw, especially yn y hanner gyntaf na, ella dim eisiau bach fwy o quality jyst o gwmpas y bocs, ond dim ond o'n mater amser ni mynd I ddod nhw lawr ac y gol yn dod.
Y cerdyn coch yn foment allweddol iawn mi newidiodd hynny'r gêm, do?
Do, definitely. Mae bob tro yn anodd nhw efo 10 dyn. Yn enwedig bryd ni'n dominato'r bel yn barod, ond ia, dwi'n meddwl beth yn meddwl efo'r tackle, ond ddod fyny yma yn rwla, just yeah, definitely red card.
I was saying to the lads, you know, it's gonna be a game, a few chances here. These are Caernarfon a really good side for me. They're going to be up there again this year, but I thought, you know, we had to maximise off set pieces and opportunities, which, if you look back at the first half, we had 2 golden opportunities. If Will Bell scores there and you go 1-0 up, you think, well, you got something to hold on to, but the game wasn't to be. Take nothing away from Caernarfon, very good side, and you know, you look at their bench, the keys they can bring on to unlock defences are fabulous. So fair play to them. Good luck to them for the rest of the season.
Ydy o'n deg deud, Rich, adag tymor dwytha, balla sa hon di gorffen yn gyfartal?
Bysa, 100%. A dwi'n meddwl na dyna, ti'n sbio o'r game Flint y gwahaniaeth oedd o fanna, dwi'n meddwl oedd y quality yn y gols. A mynd a beth gynna ni yn y garfan wwan ydy mae gynna ni'r quality na. Mae bechod bod Paolo Mendes di mynd off di brifo heddiw, ond gawn ni weld beth di asesiad efo fo, ond ia, mae gen i hogia sy'n gallu dod I fewn a gwneud job hefyd lle de.